Welcome to Programmer YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the matrix report with all the options available in it. So as I've told you that we have two options on the first page while creating the wizard. There are two options. One is tabular report and second is matrix report. Okay, so we are going to see the matrix report with the all options here. Okay, so let me switch to Visual Studio. So I'm going to create a new project. Okay, going to give a project name here. Click on OK. Next. Okay, we have to define our data source. Prod. Let's select the database here. Test the connection. Okay, next. Select star from product. Next. Now see, we have two options here. So we are going to see matrix report. So I'm clicking on matrix. So before we can go ahead with this video, let me tell you the difference between tabular and matrix. So in the tabular we can see we have columns and we have rows. Okay, so now in tabular the columns are columns are static, not dynamic. That means if we select product id, we have product name, product description, so those cannot be changed. Those are statics that will not be changed. Okay, if our data is changed, obviously the product name, the columns are not going to be changed. The data in it, it's are going to change. So in tabular reports the columns are static and the rows are dynamic, wherein in the matrix it's a cross tab report. Okay, in this, columns are dynamic as well as the rows are dynamic. Okay, so let me show you one matrix report so this will be clear for you. Okay, so this is our matrix report. Now let me click on next. So the difference here in the options, when we select tabular report, we have three options in that: page, detail, and group by. But here, if you see this, there are four options: page, columns, rows, and details. Okay, as I have told you that the stat matrix report are have the dynamic columns as well as the dynamic rows. So we have to select what columns. Okay, before this let me show you the report. Okay, so now here we have the matrix report. Okay, this is what our report is going to show. See, okay, now under the column we are selecting our countries. Okay, so under the columns I'm selecting the countries. Okay, now in the rows, that means this thing. Okay, the rows are dynamic, so I'm putting product id in the row section. Okay, description in the detail section. Product name and description are on the detail sections. Okay, so if we select these options, our reports is going to see like this. So left side we have the product ids. Okay, on the columns we have India, UK, and US, and in the details section we can see our product name and description as per the this country. So each country have different set of product name and description. Okay, so like this way. So let me click on next option here. We have to select a style. Okay, so this is related to deployment, so we will cover this in the next session. Okay, let's click on finish now. Okay, so guys, this is just to create basic matrix report. So more options are covered in the next upcoming session. So now our report is loading. So see what we have selected under the columns. We have selected countries, so the distinct countries are there on the columns. Okay, then we have selected in the rows we have selected product ID, so we are having product IDs here. And the details, under the detail section we have selected product name and description, so those are coming here. Okay, so this is all about the matrix basic report, and the more details about the matrix report are going to covered in the next section. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.